Hello everyone, strongest belly fat burning drink, weight loss drink. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. For returning viewers and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I'll be using fresh cucumber. You can use ordinary cucumber or you can use organic cucumber, whichever one you have. I'll also be using ginger, fresh ginger, 1 turnip of ginger. So I'll also be using kiwi. Kiwi is the main ingredients for this weight loss. Then let's start making our weight loss drink. I'm going to cut my cucumber. You don't really need to peel your cucumber. You need that back of the cucumber for this drink. As well, I'm going to cut it to smaller size for it to be easy for my blender to blend. And as well, I want that smooth texture of weight loss drink. I don't want to be feeling that say crushness of my fruit or my vegetables in my weight loss drink. So that's the reason I'm cutting this cucumber into smaller size. You don't need to peel it, you just need everything that way. So I'm going to cut my ginger as well into smaller size. I just want that smooth flavor of weight loss drink. With this drink, you are going to lose up to 30 pounds in a week or in 2 weeks. It's very fast, it's very effective. It's a very effective stomach burning drink. It's a very effective belly fat burning drink. So I'm going to cut my kiwi as well. Already washed, already peeled the back. I need the freshness of this kiwi in my weight loss drink. It's very refreshing and it's very easy. You don't really need to add sweetening to this. You don't need to add sugar. You don't need to add honey. You just need to take it the natural taste of this. So we finished cutting our kiwi. Let's start making our weight loss drink. This is all the ingredients. I'll also be using water, 500 ml of water. So now we are going to start adding our cucumber into our blender jar. We are just going to add all our ingredients, our fresh ingredients. Then we'll start making our weight loss drink. This is a perfect and quick belly fat burning drink. Very strong. Is the strongest belly fat burning drink. So this is it. We are going to go ahead and add our water. Then we'll start making our weight loss drink. In 2 weeks, you are going to lose 30 pounds. Up to 15 kg, and it's very effective. Very effective. I say effective, and it's the strongest belly fat drink. So it's perfect and it's okay. If you are on medication, you just need to take your medication. 30 minutes later, you take this drink. You always take it on empty stomach. So we are going to blend this until it's well smooth. If you blend it and you find it's not well smooth, just repeat it and repeat blending. Please remember to like this video and remember to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop down comment in the comment section. I'm going to serve this, and we still have other ingredients left to add. And remember to share this recipe with your friends. If you want to burn that stomach fat, that belly fat, you want to burn all those fats in your belly, this is a perfect drink for it. So we are going to go ahead and add other ingredients. You can as well use lemon or lime, whichever one you want. You don't need to sip this drink. You need to take this drink as everything looks. You don't need to sieve it, so that's why you need to blend it more to get that smooth flavor of it. If you blend it and you find your blender is finding it difficult to blend, you need to blend it all over until it's wet, smooth and cream. So I just add my lemon into it. Then I'm just going to use my chopstick to give it a quick mix, so everything will be well combined. You can take this twice a day or 3 times a day. Just take it on an empty stomach in the morning, first thing in the morning. Then you take it before bed, another glass with the other half of the lemon, or you are using lime. Anyone you are using, just add it on the drink when you want to take it. It's very refreshing and it's very okay for weight loss. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video, and do not forget to share it with your friends to learn how to make this weight loss drink. Hope to see you all in my next video. Please be safe out there. Bye bye.